race, and race is on Debonair Hadjok Royal Jeddah. Down on the inside, rushing up is entry number 7, Moonraker. Because of you, down on the inside, Green Lexter. Also rushing up, Hadjok by some 2 lengths, followed by Debonair, Green Lexter. And racing from the outside is entry number 1 by Darrell is Because of You. And rounding the far turn, Hadjok by some 2 lengths, Debonair. Because of You. Down on the inside, Royal Jeddah, Moonraker alongside, and Green Lexter in the middle. Aktung and Alida's Choice as they race the final corner. Hadjok this time by some 2 lengths, followed now by Moonraker. Down on the inside is Because of You, Green Lexter, Debonair. And nearing the finish line, Hadjok, Moonraker is on the outside. Moonraker, Hadjok down on the inside. Hadjok, Moonraker, Moonraker, Hadjok, and finally Moonraker, Hadjok, Because of You. Number 10, Green Lexter, alias Debonair and Royal Jeddah.